Store Manager for PrestaShop allows making mass operations quickly and easily. Today, I'll show you how you can add specific prices to multiple products in a few clicks. You can also try to generate specific prices with me. Simply download Store Manager for PrestaShop free trial and follow my steps. Find the link in the description below. Before we proceed, let's check my test store that I will make changes to. Here's my specific prices section. No specific prices yet. The same list of products you can see in the admin panel. As you can see, no specific prices here as well. Let's check the same product on the front end. Now let's generate specific prices for multiple products at once. To generate specific prices automatically, select all products that you want to update. Among the list of generators, select Add Specific Prices for Selected Products Generator. Here you can select all the rules you need to apply. Select the shop to activate the specific price for. Select the currency, countries, and groups. Select the customer to add the specific price for. Or leave all the above as default to add specific prices for all shops, currencies, countries, groups, and customers. Now you can set the time period the newly created specific prices will be active. From and to. Select the number of products to be added to the shopping cart to show the specific price. Set if taxes should be excluded. Finally, you can set the discount. I'll set 10%. After all settings are made, click OK. As you can see, the process takes a few seconds. Let's check the result. Here you can see the newly created specific prices for each product that we have selected for the update. All products have specific prices added. Let's check the product in the admin panel. Here you can see the specific price available. Finally, let's check the product on the website. Here it goes. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any specific questions, feel free to leave your comment under this video, and I will get back to you.